I'm going to show you how to cut and plane down the bottom of your door if it's catching your floor. Start by finding your level. Place 2 tiles on the floor and butt them up to the bottom of the door. Take a pencil and strike a line across the top of the second tile. Remove the door by screwing the hinges out of the frame. Now you're going to need to cut the bottom of this off. So it's safe to get 2 workbenches, lay your door on top, then clamp it down both ends. Make your line a little bit more noticeable by drawing over it again. Then you can cut this off using a battery operated circular saw. If you haven't got one, just a hand saw will do. Then using a small orbital sander, you can sand the cut edges to remove any splinters. Refit the door, check that it covers over your 2 tiles. If you're happy with that, you can start to tile your floor. For more 60-second tips, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.